My name is John Carlson. A couple of our neighbors have gotten solar. They do real well with it. The dealerships I work at they're going solar. That all piqued our interest. When we were doing our research, thinking about going for solar, we talked to quite a few companies. I can't even remember how many. My wife really got into it, and she had a bunch of people out here to have us talk to. But the big difference was when we got with Semper Solaris was Rami. We really liked his presentation, his manner, the way he went through things. We liked what we read about Semper Solaris online. But really what I think made the difference for us was Rami and dealing with him. It was better than expected, I'd have to say. The team that came out to do the install was great. I mean, everything went well. They dealt with with me a little bit, but mainly my wife. And my wife can be hard to deal with, and she had nothing but good things to say, which is unusual for my wife when dealing with anybody coming into her house. Everything went excellent. The overall experience with Semper Solaris was A++. Since we had solar in the home, my wife has been running the AC continuously, and we got our first bill, and it was the electrical charge was like $8 or something for the wire, so it was very good. This summer we anticipate hopefully not having an electric bill at all with everything going crazy, but we're going to see. We're excited to find out. Anyone who's thinking about going solar, Semper Solaris has been the best company for us. There's a lot of companies that we've talked to that we're not so sure about, and I think there's a lot out there that are questionable, but Semper Solaris has been a great experience, and everything's been really good.